Hello DJI fans, my name is Karina.
And I'm Vince.
Welcome to DJI Mavic Air Tutorials. In this episode, we're going to show you how to get amazing shots in cinematic and tripod mode with your Mavic Air.
Alright, to access tripod mode, simply click on the remote icon and tap on tripod mode. This allows the sensitivity of the controls to be greatly reduced, and we can see that the aircraft moves very slowly, enabling us to fly very precisely. Tripod mode can be very helpful in three scenarios. It can allow you to fly through tighter spaces with more control, it enables you to be more precise when framing up your photos, and it also allows for very slow and smooth cinematic camera movement. You can also go here to play with the camera settings to get the best quality out of the camera that can shoot up to 4K at 100 megabits per second and at 120 frames at 1080p. In cinematic mode, the braking distance for the aircraft is extended. The aircraft will slow down gently until it stops. It also decreases sensitivity to the yaw control, making it easier to create smooth, cinema quality shots. Due to the increased braking distance in this mode, don't forget to use the pause button if you need to make a sudden stop. There are more great features such as panorama and HDR photos, so make sure your firmware is updated before you fly and check the forums and DJI support for any updates.
Tell us what kind of cinematic opening shots you're going to shoot with your Mavic Air. Let us know in the comment section below and see you on the next one.